seeds and credit and extension services. I also have not forgotten my commitment to uplift the lives of coconut farmers and further develop coconut industry through the urgent utilization of the Coconut Levy Fund. That is 100 million. Kaya ako very careful until now, wala akong nakuha. Look, it is really hard to look for an honest man. I must admit it. Baka ako hindi ko rin kaya. I do not have that. Well, itong Coco Fund na ito yung naiwan sa nung kay Marcos na levy fund. This is sacred money. This money was taken out of the pockets of the Filipinos arbitrarily. Wala kang magawa ni Marcelo. Ito na yan. Kaya itong Coco Levy Fund, kung sabihin mo lang, tama ang Supreme Court, hindi mo pwedeng maibigay, sabi mo sino, you can no longer trace the truthful owner of the land. Ang plano ko, kung gusto ninyo, you save the money. You invest the money, mag-abot yan ng mga more than 100 billion. Ilagay na lang ninyo ng trust fund for the government. So, mga 5 billion. Ayun na lang ang gastusin ninyo to reserve the money. Rather than do it parang sprinkle na ibigay mo sa mga tao, you cannot, sabi ng Supreme Court, tama sila, you can no longer trace the genealogy of the owners, the original owner. And sometimes it would fail. I will not act on that until I find the man. Wala pa akong nakuha. I have yet to look for the man. Hanggang ngayon naghahanap ako, wala akong nakita. Kasi malaki ito. And this will, if you assign a corrupt idiot there. Kaya ang gusto ko, o baka nagustuhan rin ninyo, ideposito ko na lang. Let it remain as a remembrance to the people who lost their at that time. Tapos yung 5 billion, yun yung to improve the improvement sa replanting sa coconut. 5 million, that's a big money. Pero kung ibigay mo, light sprinkler, walang mo.